In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily upload videos on Facebook. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up Facebook app and then tap right here towards the top of the screen where it says what's on your mind. Once you've done that, you will be taken to the screen that looks like that, and that's where we can basically create a new post on Facebook. The only way to upload videos on Facebook is to create a new post and then attach a video to that post. So we can add some text here, or we can not to do that. To attach a video, tap right here at photo/video, and that will open up your camera roll. From here we need to select a video. We can select multiple videos at the same time simply by checkmarking them, and once we have selected all the videos, we can tap at done, and then to start uploading them on Facebook, just hit right here at post. As you can see, the video is now being uploaded to Facebook, and basically that's how we can easily upload videos on Facebook.